What's up everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So in the last tutorials we successfully created our face and this is the final result. Let me also activate that. You can see that it looks pretty much good. So the face as a starting point for learning anatomy, so this is a good start. So also now what I would like to teach you is we're going to be filling or completing that head turn like this, so that we can work on the ears and adding that neck. Okay, so in this lecture I'm gonna go ahead and create that head turn. So I'm gonna go ahead and select these vertex, Alt select. I'm gonna deselect these because as you can see this is the starting point of a new set of vertex. So over here I'm gonna extrude like this. Let me go to the wireframe mode and also keep an eye on this from this view. I can start over here because as you can see this position is complex a little bit, so let's adjust those points. Adjustment like this. This one, let's make it this way. Okay, so let's take this one, move it over here, and let's continue until we finish that line. Okay, so let's check it from here. Good. We can go for this line over here. We can make it right now, just so that we can complete or close this hole over here. So let's go for it. Extrude, spin it just a bit, spin, spin, and let's fill those two gaps. Alright, same thing for this, but here I think as you can see we need to make some close adjustments over here. Check these way back, but also we need to this position as you can see, because we don't have a reference on the back, we need to keep an eye on our progress. So let's fill those gaps first and then scale this one down like this, maybe bring it outside, and let's fill these two gaps. Select these two, put them over here. Select this one, turn on the snap shift tab, and let's snap it right there. This one, snap it right there. Select everything, go to mesh, clean up, and merge by distance. As you can see we have two additional vertex are removed, which is good. Okay, so I think this is it for the ear. So all we have to do next is, yes, I think that this is it. So this is the gap for our ear. We're gonna create it and we're gonna be connecting it with these. How much do we have? We have 12 vertex, so we're gonna create an ear that has 12 vertex and we're gonna be aligning them with these. Okay, So let's finish that final loop. So from this distance, all we have to do is simply select just these top vertex, and we're gonna go down. Gonna start going down like this. This one, and there we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and fill those spaces in between those gaps, but I think we need to add an additional layer. Yes, or we can simply move these way back, because as you can see there is no reference for that, so we need to move these back just a bit. Let's see if we need to add a new layer over there. No, I don't think so. So all we need to do is to move these closer. Closer to each another. Let's go back to over here and let's bring these out. So this is the way to add or to make those adjustments. Also we have another way to do this. Let me check. So from this location we can select just this one. So this is the starting point. We can go all the way over here. Use control to select that, and we can hit G double time so that we can slide this edge. So double G, and as you can see we can slide it like this. So I'm gonna slide it to the middle like this. Okay, so now I'd like to go ahead and fill, but first let me finish that. Finish working on these edges. Alright, so now I'm gonna select face by face and fill it. But this location over here, this position of our head needs some more adjusting because it's gonna be flat and not realistic. You can see it over here, so we need to add some we need to sculpt the details over here. We aren't gonna be adding extra details to it. We're gonna just try to adjust these details, these current vertexes we have, using the smooth tool and the inflate and deflate tools. I'm gonna show you that in the next tutorials. Okay, so let's take this one inside. G to move this. Alright. Okay, so let's add that new layer of loop again. I know it's annoying, but we need to finish up this. Okay, so now let's gonna check these down. Same thing for these. Okay, so let's go out and see our results. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Also here, let's select everything, go to vertex and not vertex, go to mesh, clean up and merge by distance. So now we removed 6 additional vertex. Okay, so let me activate that. There we go. Also, as I told you earlier, let me save this part first. Gonna save it. So as I told you earlier, this is the way to add that sculpting. So I'm gonna go to sculpting, and we can add the details from here. So for example, we can add this. Let me show you that these muscles. So I'm gonna add the blob or the inflate. Can do this. I think we need to do it on the other side. Or let's try this blob. We need to have the opposite effect. So this is the way that we're gonna be doing. I think this one is not working, so let's find another one. Inflates. So basically this is how we're gonna be doing it. Let's make it like this. Same thing over here. You can also add or increase that strength, for example, to 1. So add another one over here, and same thing for this muscle over here. I think I could exaggerate that. You can always go back using the smooth tool. Also over here, let's check these out just a bit to create that chin, and there we go. Okay, so this is a good start. So in the next lecture, we're gonna add the ear. So the ear is gonna be challenging, and after that I'm gonna show you how to finalize our model and add the final details. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. I'm gonna see you in the next lecture. Take care.